On the 2nd of December 2023, the residents of Waingapu, Sumba Island, East Nusa Tenggara province were met with a terrifying sight, a tornado. The powerful winds of the tornado wreaked havoc on the town, uprooting trees and tearing apart buildings. Fortunately, no lives were lost, but the destruction was immense. This was the first time a tornado had been reported in the area, and it was a reminder of the power of nature. The Indonesian tornadoes of Waingapu will be remembered for years to come.
Wih, apa ini?
Puting beliung. Ini kayak keserap air dari ini. Mudah-mudahan jangan kesini.
Tidak apa-apa dia. Ah,